Abreast. Set of ships on parallel courses when abeam of each other. Objects inside a ship are abreast when they are in the same transverse line. Balanced rudder. One in which rudder stock is not on leading edge of rudder, but an appropriate distance abaft it. Caboose. Old name for cook's galley. At one time was applied to the funnel casing. Now applied to any small enclosed space. Datum. Given level or other value, to which varying values are referred. Eclipse. Cessation of light due to passing into a shadow. Applied to darkening of Moon's disk when she passes into shadow cast by Earth. Also applied to occultation of Sun by Moon. Fair wind. Wind that is not before the beam and not directly aft. Gangboard. Plank bridge from quay or wharf to ship. Usually fenced. Half beam. Beam that is cut to form a hatchway or to give clearance. Immersion. The sinking of a substance into a fluid. Jetty. Wharf or other similar construction that projects into the sea or harbor. Keel. Principal member of a ship's construction. Lies fore and aft along center line of bottom. May be an external or an internal construction. Landmark. Shore object, sometimes especially erected, that assists seamen in identifying their position when in sight of it. Myoform. Hull design that allows displaced water to flow aft by shortest route, reduces wave making to a minimum and keeps wetted area to small proportions. Noscopy. Art of discovering the approach of a distant ship to the land. Observation. Measurement of altitude and bearing of a heavenly body or measurement of tidal phenomena. Palm of anchor. Flat face of fluke that provides a holding surface. Quay. Artificial erection protruding into the water to facilitate loading and discharge of cargo, landing and embarkation of passengers, repairing or refitting of ships. Radar reflector. Arrangement of flat metallic surfaces set at right angles to each other which reflect radar signals back from whence they came. Sailor. Man or boy employed in sailing deep-water craft. Word is sometimes loosely used to include men who go to sea. Used officially to denote a seaman serving on deck. Tally. To count. Particularly applied to the count of items loaded or discharged by a vessel. Up and down. Set of cable when it extends vertically and taut from anchor to hawsepipe. Vessel. Defined by Merchant Shipping Act as any ship or boat, or other description of vessel, used in navigation. Wane. Decrease of moon's illuminated area, as viewed from Earth. Yarn. Threads that are laid up and form part of a twine, line, or strand. Zinc protector. Slab of zinc attached to underwater body of a ship to prevent steel of hull becoming electropositive to copper or copper alloy fittings exposed to salt water.